Gonna be unboxing the Logitech G230 today. It's a pretty nice looking headset from the outside. Let's see, it says just a headset, user documentation's in the box, 3-year warranty, 40mm drivers, so supposedly some good sound. Here's the back. This is an analog headset, so it's not digital, but shouldn't make too big of a difference. Let's see. Oh, looks like that's how it's done. Okay, just manual. Wow, this cord looks really cool. I haven't seen this on any cord before, but it's really it's like this cloth. It's not rubber or plastic or anything. Comes with a Velcro cord tie, even down to the ends here. I'll zoom in on that in a second. There's another one down here. Let's see if I can get zoomed in here. I'll just switch it to manual. Okay, so now you can really get a sense of that. It's like a red fabric. These turn and lay flat. That's pretty cool. Ear pads seem pretty big. This mouthpiece comes down apparently. It's pretty nice. Pretty smooth. It's like a rubbery, a leathery material right here. I was wondering what that'd be. And these are just like a cloth material. As these things. Just protecting the corners, I suppose. This material right here is a smooth, like a hard plastic. It's red. These are, you can see they're this cloth material. All the way to the end.